SC Verma Solution, Chapter 2, Physics and Mathematics, Question number 7. A spy report about a suspected car reads as follows. The car moved 2.00 km towards east, made a perpendicular left turn, ran for 500 meter, made a perpendicular right turn, ran for 4.00 km and stopped. Find the displacement of the car. According to the question, we can draw the figure. Let it be the east direction, this west, north and south direction. East direction be towards x-axis and north direction towards y direction. Here the car moves first towards east 2 km and turns perpendicular left turn, that means towards north direction, and run for 500 meter, and after then there is the perpendicular right turn and run for the 4 km and there it stops. Here according to the figure, let the first displacement be represented by OA vector, the second displacement be represented by AB vector, and third be represented by BC vector. Now according to the question, figure is drawn. Here OA vector, this OA vector is 2.00 km towards east. AB vector is 500 meter, magnitude of AB vector is 500 meter, that is 0.5 km, that is towards north, and BC vector is equals to 4.00 km towards east. Now let us get x component of each vector. X component of OA vector is equals to 2.00 km because it makes 0 degree angle with the x-axis. X component of AB vector makes 90 degree with the AB vector makes the 90 degree angle with the x-axis, thus its component towards x-axis will be 0. X component of BC vector is equals to 4.00 km because BC vector makes 0 degree angle with the x-axis. Thus x component of the resultant, that let it be denoted by Rx, is equals to 2.00 plus 0 plus 4.00 km is equals to 6.00 km. Likewise, let us find out the y component of each vector. Y component of OA vector makes 90 degree with the y-axis, thus its component to y component will be 0. Y component of AB vector, it makes 0 degree angle. AB vector makes 0 degree angle with the y-axis, thus its component will be 0.5 km. Again, y component of BC vector will be 0 because BC vector makes 90 degree with the y-axis. Thus y component of the resultant, that is Ry, is equals to 0 plus 0.5 km plus 0 is equals to 0.5 km. Now we have the formula. The magnitude of the resultant as R is equals to root under Rx whole square plus Ry whole square, that is root under 6.00 whole square plus 0.5 whole square. It will give the value 6.02 kilometer. Thus the magnitude of the resultant is 6.02 kilometer. Let us also find the angle made by the resultant with the x-axis. Let alpha be the angle made by the resultant with the x-axis. Then we can write tan alpha is equals to Ry divided by Rx. We have the value for Ry as 0.5 and for Rx as 6. It will give 1 by 12. Therefore alpha is equals to tan inverse 1 by 12. Hence R vector, that is resultant vector, is equals to 6.02 kilometer at the angle tan inverse 1 by 12 with x-axis.